Hey, hi, how are you? Ela unnaru? FDR King kaise ho? This is me, your Rupesh. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and stay tuned. I hope my old subscribers are enjoying all the videos on my channel from the last 2-3 weeks. So I'm back with another unboxing. In this video, I'll show you a quick unboxing of GoPro Hero 9 and also a small review. Let's quickly unbox it now. So before I unbox, let me show you what and all I have here. I have already opened this adapter. This is GoPro mic adapter. We need a mic adapter for using external mic. So this is a big box which has GoPro, and these are memory card, screen protector and extra battery. I didn't order for bundle, I just ordered the GoPro alone. So I won't be getting extra battery and floater handle. Even memory card won't be there in this box. So now let's unbox it. We'll start from the small one. Okay, first I'll unbox this. So this is memory card from SanDisk. We'll keep this aside. And then the second big one. So this is screen protector for GoPro. And this is the extra battery which I ordered. So in case if you're wondering, I have ordered all this from Amazon except the GoPro. GoPro store details I'll leave in the description. So this is extra battery which I ordered. Now let's unbox GoPro. The packaging is very good, it's intact so that there won't be any damages on the transit. So the GoPro is inside. In another 10 seconds we'll see it. See how good the packaging is. They have kept in a very good packaging so that it doesn't damage. So here is GoPro 9. So we'll not be getting a layered package for this, like covered layer. We'll get like this. So this is the seal. So if we peel this off, the seal is open. So I'm peeling off the seal. So I have peeled the seal. The features of the camera are here. So we get this beautiful case for GoPro, which we can use for carrying it. I have opened the zip. So here is a lovely GoPro. And then we have one battery here. This is J mount. And this is curved mount which we use for helmet mounting, and this is screw and some paperwork. So these are GoPro stickers which we can use on helmet and bike, and this is GoPro subscription card, and this is user manual. That is all we get in the box. There is nothing else. The box is good. And I didn't order for dual charger, so we need to charge with the cable. If you are ordering bundle also, you will not be getting the dual charger. I'll quickly switch on this and I'll show you. I'm peeling this cover off, and we need to insert the battery and switch this on. And one more thing, we need to register this for warranty. I'll also show you how to register. This is a battery case. So here we'll have very few switches. This is for switching on, switching off. This is also for switching on, switching. Sorry, this is for recording. And here in this screen, this is a touch screen we can use for touch, and this is like the mounting bracket. So here we need to place this mount. This. And this. Lift this up. That's it. The GoPro is ready and it's mounted. So this is a curved mount. We use this to mount on the helmet. There are so many mounts also. I'll leave a link in the description for the mounts which I purchased. I'll make a short video on the accessories and post it in my next video. So now I'll remove this J screw and unmount the GoPro. Same way, I have took this out. Latch as well. It came out. So now let's So see here, we need to just pull this up and take this out. That's it. We can insert the battery now. The battery is too small, so this GoPro symbol should go inside. I'm inserting it, and then press this. That's it. So this is how we switch it on. Just long press it. It will make a beep sound, double beep, and then the GoPro is switched on. So it is switching on. Just a second. So now we need to select the language, English. As I told you, this is already a touch screen. Agree. Turn on footage with location, speed and altitude. We have to turn everything on. Now I need to install a GoPro app on the phone, and I need to leave the camera. Either App Store or Play Store, search for GoPro app. You won't be getting GoPro because they just renamed it some time back. The app name is QUIK. Just install it. I'm using iOS here. So once installation is done, I'll show you the next steps. So once you open the Quick app, the home page will look like this. On the top right, there is a small camera icon. We need to click on it. Once you click the camera icon, it will ask you to connect your device and it will search. It's saying no camera found, so I'm selecting it manually, Hero 9 Black, and then my camera is on. Here it will show you settings on the camera. Just swipe down. It is again saying GoPro no connect. Just swipe right, then go to connections. Here you need to select connect device. Once you do this on the camera, just give continue here in the app, then it will detect your GoPro. So here you can see it detected my GoPro. Just give connect camera. It will connect and it will ask you to Bluetooth pair it. It's connected. Now it will ask you to rename. You can rename or you can leave as it is. I just left as it is. Now immediately it is asking for installing the updates. So I just gave update here. Then it will ask you to accept and continue. Then it is here downloading the software update. Battery level is low and also I didn't insert memory card. I'll do it. So it transfers files to the camera. It will install update and then all set. So now the camera is connected. Here there will be two options: control your GoPro and view media. Control your GoPro is like we can control GoPro from the app, and second one is view media, where we can view all the files which are there on the camera, like photos and videos. I clicked on control your GoPro. It will land here and it is saying preview unavailable with hindsight on. So I am switching off. Then enable preview. So it is starting preview here. Here it is. You can see whatever the camera sees from the mobile now. You can click photos here. You can record a video from the mobile. You can do a time lapse, and also you can change any settings you want. All settings we can change from camera mobile app itself. Now let's see how to register warranty. Just go to Google, search for GoPro Hero 9 warranty registration. Then you will see this website. Just scroll down. It will ask you to enter the 14-digit serial number. You can find it on the box or also in the camera side. Under preferences, about camera info. Then enter your email ID. Next step, done. You will receive an email. So I forgot to insert the memory card. Now I am going to insert the memory card here. So we have to insert the memory card back. See how flawless the touch is. So I'm unboxing the extra battery here. So this is the extra battery which I bought. There's nothing, all this are paperwork which are not required. Protected cover. So this is for front screen and camera, and this is for back screen. The rest all are like for plugging in. And this is the mic adapter. So this is a mic adapter. This goes inside this charging cable, and this will stay out. Here we can charge and you can use the mic both. See here, the charging cable is very small. We need to buy an external cable. It's better. This is a USB C type. Yeah, that's a pretty quick unboxing of the GoPro. Now I'll take this GoPro out and record some videos, and I'll add to this clip at the last. I bought this GoPro from a store in Bangalore. The store name is UFO Global Gadgets. I'm leaving their website link and also their Instagram handle. In case if you're looking for GoPro or drones or any other accessories, you can check with them. See the way the video is slowed down, the car speed. This is the slow motion feature. There are also other features as well. I'll show you in the next 2-3 clips. I'm also new to the settings, so whatever settings I know I have kept it. We can tweak the settings and extract the best of this beast. We can shoot up to 240 frames per second. So if you are good at editing, you can get the best video clips from this GoPro. Next is the wide angle. I am shooting in 1080 pixel and 30 frames per second. You can see how wide the aperture is. Next is the super view. This is a very good one because it captures almost like our eyes see. I'm back home, people. I hope you guys enjoy the clips from GoPro. It's a different and like first person view. You'll be seeing more of GoPro views in the coming days on our channel. For today, we are done with the unboxing and review of GoPro Hero 9. In case if you guys like the work, please press the like button. Keep supporting. This is me, your Rupesh, signing off. Bye bye. Take care.